Nestled within the embrace of nature, one can find the essence of being fully alive. As the sun dips below the horizon, breathing in sync with the world evokes a tranquil rhythm, grounding the soul. Observing a leaf fluttering in the breeze, one realizes the wisdom in stillness. It's in these fleeting moments of clarity that life reveals its depth, much like the gentle ripples on a serene pond. Embracing this mindful connection fosters peace within, reminding us to cherish the present over the chaos of tomorrow.